In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage campaigns in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're tracking marketing performance, updating budgets, or exporting reports for your team, knowing how to properly manage campaigns inside HubSpot is essential for staying organized and improving results. I'll walk you through accessing the Campaigns tool, reviewing performance, editing key details, and exporting data. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing software guides. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is accessing the Campaigns tool inside HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Campaigns. This will open your full Campaigns dashboard, where you can see a list of all active, draft, and completed campaigns. Here, you'll also see high-level analytics that give you a snapshot of performance across your marketing efforts. Once you're inside the Campaigns area, the next step is to select the campaign you want to manage. Scroll through your list or use the search bar if you have many campaigns. Click directly on the name of the campaign you want to review. This opens the Campaign Details page, where you can manage everything associated with that specific campaign, including assets, goals, and reporting. Now, let's talk about tracking performance. After opening your campaign, navigate to the Performance tab. This is where you can evaluate how your campaign is performing. You'll typically see metrics like sessions, new contacts, influenced contacts, deals, and revenue attribution depending on your HubSpot subscription level. Reviewing this data helps you understand what's working and where adjustments might be needed. For example, if traffic is high but conversions are low, you may want to optimize your landing pages or calls to action. If contacts are increasing but deals are not, your follow-up workflows may need attention. Regularly checking the Performance tab ensures your campaign stays aligned with your goals. Next, let's look at how to edit a campaign. While inside the campaign, go to the top right corner and click on Actions. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Campaign. This opens the Campaign Settings panel, where you can update important details. You can modify your campaign goals to reflect updated targets, adjust your budget if spending has changed, and edit the start and end dates if your timeline shifts. You can also manage associated assets such as emails, landing pages, blog posts, ads, and workflows. Keeping these details accurate ensures your reporting stays clean and meaningful. After making your changes, save the campaign to apply the updates. Another important part of campaign management is exporting or reporting on campaign performance. If you need to share results with stakeholders or analyze data outside of HubSpot, you can export campaign data when available. To do this, open the campaign, click on Actions, and select Export Campaign Data if the option appears for your asset type. Follow the prompts to download the file. This allows you to create custom reports, share insights with leadership, or store performance records for future reference. Exporting data is especially useful for monthly or quarterly reporting. Managing campaigns effectively in HubSpot comes down to consistently reviewing performance, keeping campaign settings updated, and ensuring all assets are properly associated. When everything is organized within a campaign, attribution becomes much clearer, and you can confidently measure your marketing ROI. And that's it. That's how to manage campaigns in HubSpot step by step. From accessing the Campaigns tool to tracking performance, editing details, and exporting reports, you now have a complete overview of the process. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and digital marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.